Hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here to do a review, an overview I should say, of the Mosasaur complete golf cart battery package that I installed on my golf cart the other day. First of all, just to show you how I charge it, I'm just using a real outlet extension cord that you can pull down conveniently from the ceiling, and it's just plugged into my 2019 E-Z-GO right here into a no-co port right here that I put on here to make it easy so that I can charge as long as I have an extension cord coming from an outlet. Just a standard household extension cord. So that makes it nice and easy. And as you can see here with my Mosasaur package, I got the LCD screen here, and we are fully charged at 100%. So we are good to go, and I'm going to take you out on it today, and I'm going to show you a few other things. Just look at the install that we did from the other day and just let you know my opinion on it. So stick around. And we're back. So I installed the Mosasaur complete golf cart power package. That came with a 105 amp hour battery, lithium, along with a 20 amp fast charger, onboard fast charger, and LCD screen for your battery gauge. Here's the battery setup I've got here. Our fast chargers in the back here mounted, batteries anchored in here into our battery bay. And it's all plugged in. The charger's plugged in right here to this no-co port, where I can just plug it with a regular extension cord and charge it. Now it does have another gauge here that I did not hook up. I'm just leaving it in here. And this, I noticed, was flashing when it was charging. The center was flashing. Let me go ahead and turn the ignition on and see if that does anything. Okay, ignition's on, battery's on, and this thing is not really displaying anything, so I'm not so sure what we get out of that. That's coming right out of the fast charger there, so maybe this only works when it's in charging mode. So there's our battery. There's our LCD display, nice color display. I use VHB two-sided tape to mount it securely up here above the radio on the dashboard. And don't mind this, this was an aftermarket accessory add-on that wasn't really working well for me. It's showing 94.2%, and I think that could be reset to 100 there now, since we do have 100 here. But this is connected direct to the battery, so this is what we can trust now of what battery power we have left. Let's go ahead and take this out for a road test and see what kind of speeds we get. I took it out just briefly earlier, just half a block down and back, and it had a lot of torque, and it was pretty quick, but I didn't check the speed out. So let's go check that out. Wait a second, there's one other thing I want to show you. This complete battery power setup has an app that goes with it as well that you can log in to the battery, and it pretty much shows you everything that the LCD screen here shows you right here. Pretty much everything that screen shows you, but there is an app, and let me pull it up here. And the app, it's got like a little elephant icon here when you download it. And your battery will come up here, which you select your battery. And this is not the correct battery. It wants to connect to my AC 500 Blue Eddies when I'm out here. So let me get out of here. And yep, that's it. State of charge 100%, just like our display shows on the dash. And Total voltage 53.49 volts. Here's your individual cells here that you can monitor. Other controls here. Now, I'm not real familiar. I didn't read up on this app yet. So, you know, there's lots more stuff in here that I'm sure is useful information. But that's a nice little feature added on to this whole package as well. You get a built-in app. All right, let's take it for a ride. All right. You can really feel the pep in this when you press that pedal. All right, I'm going to get the speedometer calibrated. It's like a satellite speedometer on the dash, so make sure that's calibrated, and I'll show you the speed. But I'm going to go back into this other side neighborhood here first to get off the main street that I'm on here, that I live on. All right, we're clear to go down here. Not bad. Now, I did a speed test on the factory Samsung battery last week, and I got up to about, I think it was 24 miles per hour. Okay, so let me grab you right here, and we're going to take a look. We'll do a speed test right here. All right, here we go. Speed test. $18, $19, $20, $21, $22. Can we do it? $23, $24. Oh, we are going fast. Almost felt like I could have turned it over there on that turn, at the last turn there. I mean, the power is really, really, really good. I gotta say, I'm happy with this package. And I mean, the key thing for me now is to have a reliable gauge, you know, a power gauge for my battery system now that's directly hooked up to it. But this golf cart, I mean, this was a good find. I mean, I got the top speed on it at 24 miles an hour. I got my radio, all the switches and lights installed in here now. Headlights, reverse lights, reverse camera. I'm going to show you the reverse camera here. It will come up on my Android. It comes up on my Android screen. I'll show you. We'll come to a stop here. And switch it into reverse. And there's the reverse there. Reverse camera. It's awesome. And then we go back. I also have a DVR camera right there, so it takes you know, constant video whenever you're driving. We'll go one more loop. Okay, here we go. All right, we hit our top speed again, 24 miles per hour. That is just standard for this golf cart now. 24 miles per hour. And I'm happy with it. I'm glad I've got the new power system in it. And guys, you got to check out this Mosasaur battery complete power system for your golf cart. If you're looking for one, sometimes they put on these outrageous sale discounts. I believe right now it's like $500 off. It's regular $1,800 package, $500 off. That brings it down to $1,300. And I mean, if you're looking, you need batteries. Don't go buy those lead acid batteries. Take a look at this package. I'll leave the link for the package from Mosasaur in the video description below this video if you're interested. And we're back. That was a really nice ride. Let me show you something. Now this was my aftermarket power gauge meter before, battery meter. It's reading, just before the video, you saw me, I set it to 100%. I reset it. Now it's at 95.1%. Meanwhile, this gauge connected direct to the battery. This was part of the package, this gauge here. Color LCD screen. It's saying battery is 97%. And that's saying the battery's already dropped to 95.1%. So I'm glad I've got this new battery package with the new gauge. It gives me more confidence in knowing how far of distance and range I have left on my battery. If I take an outing, I don't have to worry about, am I gonna surprisingly be stranded somewhere because my battery gauge is not working properly. Now I feel like I've got a lot more confidence. So guys, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. I hope this video helps you out. If you're looking for a battery package for your golf cart, you know at least where to start your research. Just click on the link in the video description below my video here. Take a look at this package, what it has to offer, and then do your shopping from there. But stay away from putting in more lead acid batteries. Just get off of that road there and get on the lithium battery road that's going to last you probably the lifetime of your golf cart. Guys, thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.